So, welcome back to another random hobby channel. This time, it's not all about MTG cards. Update din tayo sa mga ibang hobbies. Yesterday, meron kaming, ang tawag na doon? Work field trip, Betriebsausflug sa LGS. Not a local game store but sa Landgartenschau sa Fürstenwald. Yeah, I enjoyed photography there a bit. Hindi ko nadala yung malaking camera kasi naulan. But this time, update sa ating Warhammer figures. This is the starter set. I am finished with my wie heißt das? Nurglings. Yeah. Grandfather Nurgle's Marines, and this time we are currently at Angels of Death. So this is my setup. Maliit lang siya. This is my wet palette. Primer lang muna tayo. Kasi nag-start ulit tayo for another batch. So ganyan siya. I'm sorry if my setup is small. Yeah, I'm just starting here today. Bawal din ang airbrush sa aming apartment. So hand paint tayo lahat. These are my paints. Yeah, I'm also using this color shift. And some washes. Paiba-iba tayo ng brands. Meron din tayong from Citadel mismo. Oops. My cat food. Meron tayong pang dry brush from Tamiya. And some Vallejo paints. Yeah, hand paint lang lahat. So far, I'm happy with my setup. Primer tayo kaya matagal ang drying time. Abutin tayo ng isang araw lalo't maulan. So if you have questions regarding all this stuff, just feel free to ask. Hopefully we can crack MTG packs tomorrow or later. Bye.